Hello everyone, today I am going to unlock an iPhone, and as you can see I just received this iPhone today, and someone gave me to unlock this iPhone. I checked this iPhone already, and in this iPhone, as I would like to everybody to see this thing, that this is iCloud lock, and the procedure I'm going to apply on this iPhone I just received recently. So I would like to share with everyone this latest update of unlocking iCloud in any iPhone. The only thing everybody has to do, just do same thing what I am doing in this video. So any country your phone belongs to or you belongs to, just put the same information I am putting into my iPhone. So as you see, this iPhone is iCloud lock. So everything I will do in front of you, just follow me. First thing, please like this video, share it and subscribe my channel for more, as I'm trying to give every day 10 IMEIs for free unlock, as server is slow, but I'm trying my best. So most of people I see on comments, they're writing it worked for them, and this is the thing I'm trying to make for everyone, that you don't have to pay any single thing and you can get your free unlock. Right now just follow the same procedure. I will add few numbers on this Apple ID and password. You have to add same Apple ID, same password, and then we will go to the next step, and then after I will show you that this process what I'm going to apply is 100% working. So if I get 10,000 likes for this video, I will give 20 IMEIs free for the lucky winners who like these videos all the time and who subscribe my channel. So let's get ready. Okay, so first numbers we have to add here is, just write down 94.305.69.104. Once you add this number, this is the number I get directly. Same like every website have them IP address on the back side, so this is same thing. Okay, now you have to put there at iCloud.com. If everybody can see clearly, yeah, it's fine. Okay, now the next step we are going to do is, there is a password, and password everybody have to write down in the capital letters. You have to make your letters capital, big letters, and you have to write down A, Apple, 1 2 3 4 5. For everyone, just to know that you have to write down capital letters, and you have to write down 1 2 3 4 5. So I repeat from the top, what we did is, as you can see, okay, so now we're going to press next. We have to press next one time, it will say like that. Another time, same thing, one more time. Minimum 3 times we have to press next. What we are trying is, we're trying to get these numbers locked to this iPhone or any iPhone that is locked with iCloud account. Okay, so I'm keep trying and it keeps saying like that. Now we have to go back. Okay, here we have to press this button one time and we'll go to Wi-Fi settings. Once we go into Wi-Fi settings, what we will do is, we have to click to information button here. In this information button, we have to add configure DNS. We click this one, we go to manual. Once we click to manual, we have to add number here that is 94 305 69 104. We add this one. Now we have to go down in search domain. We just have to write down Apple iCloud. Remember, there is no dot in between. We have to write down Apple iCloud .org. Remember, just write same how I am writing, Apple iCloud.org. Now we're going on the top again, add server. Okay, here we have to write down another number. What is going to be 169.802.1.989. Now as you see all numbers I have right here, you have to click save. Okay, once you click save, as you remember, we add some numbers in here before. Now we're going to write down here 94.109.69.995 at iCloud.com. Everybody can see very clear what I'm writing. Okay, now the password what we write down before, APPLE Apple 1 2 3 4 5. Write down same numbers. Now again we have to press next. We will press next. It will say incorrect Apple ID. One more time. Okay, one more time. Now we are going back. Okay, United Kingdom, setup manual. We have to press this button again. We are going to Wi-Fi settings and we have to click on this network. Forget this network. Okay, we log out from this internet Wi-Fi what we had before, and now we're going to click on this network what says Apple server. Once we click on Apple server, remember you have to press the same password what we put before. So APPLE 1 2 3 4 5. This is the random things what I'm showing you, and it is working. Okay, now we're going to press join. Okay, we press join and as you see it disappear from here. Now we have to press done. Going back, it's saying try again. To go back again. Okay, now we have to press start again. As you see, the phone just kind of restart. This is what we are trying now here. One time this hotspot Wi-Fi settings you enter and then you see again. Okay, as you see on the top it appears again. It means it is working. Just follow the same procedure how I am showing you in this video. You have to go through with this one. Okay, as you can see it takes long. It means it's working. Okay, now we have to add another number. This is the whole procedure. I'm not trying different numbers. I am trying to tell you that just follow the same procedure. Now you have to add here 94.164.92.1 at iCloud.com. okay, and the password what I told you before, we have to add same, APPLE 1 2 3 4 5. We have to press next, and we have to make sure we will keep pressing this at least 3 times as I showed before. Okay, next, same procedure what we did before we will again do. As you see, next it stopped, nothing happening. Again it start automatically, and you see it comes the unlock screen. That means the process I show you in this video is 100% working. So do same, like this video, subscribe my channel, and if for someone this thing is not working, give me a private message, so I will help you 100%. And remember, this is free of cost service, and don't forget to share it, like it, and subscribe it. And also check the description, I'm leaving some links there, check out those. I have new channel as well, please subscribe and like that as well. Thank you for watching.